but as well looking into our you know particular area of research. Let's take a area somewhere like you see something application of artificial intelligence and environmental resources, business management and sustainability. So let's take this topic because many are from a management background. So when I clicked on that, without signing, I'm able to get some information about few publications that are there in the field. But once I sign in, I can able to get some more feature into that. So what I can do is let me sign in and let's see what result we are getting. So now it is trying to formulate something sort of is same thing that we received in the consensus, a summary of something like that. So this AI again has done that, and you can see the citation as well. And it is giving us some information about like how AI plays role in decision making process for business management and sustainability, and adding stakeholder to in resolving conflict and achieving environmental goal. And so whatever is your area of interest, you can come and you can explore this one. But again, uh, this is up to somewhat it is free. And to explore all the feature, I think you have to go for premium. But for to start the journey, it is more than enough to explore the free feature here. So if I like to check any of the paper, let's say I want to check this paper, if I click on that, so another feature now we'll able to see here. Let's see any open access article if it is listed. uh, we can get let's see. Or we can upload something. Here there is a process to request a copy of it. Many of the time, author they do share their copy. But if we have a file which is published in open access domain, then you can explore that one in detail too. But many of the time what we have is we have our own PDF. So what we can do, we can upload a PDF, or we can take any of this file also, that is also possible. But I'm just checking it out if I can get something. This is a retracted copy, so we can avoid this one. Yeah, this is a retracted copy. That's why it is available in Hyundai. It is there open access, but we can get something. Let me MDPI. If I can get some publication from MDPI, so we can get something. Some document is coming.
So, will you be discussing paper digest also?
We can do that. Paper digest also can do that. Paper digest earlier it was free. Now they have again.
For that
Yeah,
subscription.
yeah, they have gone to subscription. So many article I can see that is being retracted in that area, that is being there. Okay, fine. What you can do over here is you can upload a copy over here if you have a copy, and you see you are getting basic information. But if I like to run the connected software everything, if I click on related paper graph, now you can able to see how it is linked with other publication. So it will take some time, but it will give you some good information. Meanwhile, I can upload a copy here. We can upload a copy. You have an option in the homepage itself to upload a copy, a PDF. If you have a PDF or something, let's take a paper which we might have kept. Mm, Yeah, I have a paper here, so let me upload this paper. And many of the time we do, have many of the time downloaded articles. So what I did is I have uploaded a copy of that. It will take some time. Why it is not showing? Or I might have, yeah, now it is showing. So the because it was not in the OpenSS platform, so what I did is I uploaded a copy against this. And now you see, if I go to related paper, let me close this one. So now I can get, the related network sort of a connection. So in the mid of this graph, you have my paper, and then the connected paper to that. And if you want to jump to another paper, let's say something is interesting and you want to read it, so if you click on read, so it will jump to that paper. So you can request a copy of that, or you can, if you want to get some more information, let's say now we have done so. So if I click on paper expresso, so here you can able to get like something sort of a summarizing sort of a thing, like paper digest they do. Yeah, now you see, if I need to read all that content of a published article, but if I have a tool which can summarize each particle, each, let's say the context, and not just the heading that is there, but with background and context, it has given me sort of a summary, then research objective, you see, and then methodology that is being used, then result finding, then discussion interpretation, contribution to that field, then structure and flow, achievement, all that. In that way, it can able to give sort of impression or idea. And then you have paper question and answer, where you can chat with this paper, with this published work. You can even ask query, and you can able to get answer to the whatever query you just raised, like what is the method used or sort of thing. And another is taking note of this. You can able to add note whenever you are reading. You have to sign up for that, and signing it off is of free. Easily you can do with your Gmail or any email ID. You have to give your name and other information, so it is not charging at that point of time. So here you can, whatever document you have, you, let's say you have created a library, and you can take notes, and later on also you come and visit, and you can have all those information. And this is the personal center, it will be available. So in that way, this open read can work. First is like you can able to explore this article. You can like um, like you want to search something on area, let's say it is my area is ECG signal processing, so whatever area you are working, and randomly also you can put search. And then this AI will now you see my current month, that plan that already being released, because many of the time I've come to this platform for demonstration, and that is now done. But for you, I think you can easily do it for many of the instances you can able to get. But you will get the result over here. Many of the article, you are able to explore all this article. So this is one advantage in this platform. Another one is SCI Space. uh, I will this is one of my affiliate link. I will send you this link as well. And if you want to upgrade your typeset or SCI Space, you can do so with that, and you can able to get some discount as well. So SCI Space, or you can say typeset, is again one of such platform. uh, this is one of the advanced platform, where you can able to chat with the paper, even the equation and all, which is very complex to understand. And finding out literature, you can do it with something, let's say I've done recent search that is showing, because I've already signed in. Here you can see already I have signed in with my Gmail. And you have to just create an account, and then whatever you do, it will be recorded, it will be saved in your library, so that later on also you can come and visit, you can do so. So let me take a similar query where, you know let's say, how does social media affect the college selection process. So if we take in generic query something, this is not working. This is one of my favorite tool when I like to do sort of, to understand a paper. I usually come to this and try to refer this platform. Earlier it was also free, now they are charging. Now you see what we did, simple generic, topic we have taken: social media affect college process selection. And the article, or in the from management background, that is already being published, and that is showing us. And you see insights of that paper, TLDR, the conclusion in brief, literature review in brief, limitation, contribution, practical implication, so many things. And even you can add more topic to that, you see. Even you can add your own sort of something like idea here, like limitation or future scope, um, future scope, something like that, you want to add. If you click on add, now you one more tab is being added. So in that way you can do so. And you see now it is giving us result on future scope as well, on each article that is being selected. And you see below, even you can load so many article here. Why you are able to get so many detail here? Because it is upgraded account which you are now seeing. With free account, I think there will be limitation for the search and this adding of this information. And this you can even download, even you can export this as CSV file. So let me show you. It is exporting 30 document, because we have selected 30 document. And you see all that, whatever detail that is being selected, TLDR, conclusion, literature, limitation, practical, future scope, whatever is there, that is being mentioned over here. And the DOI and the other detail of the journal author, all the bibliographic information is being listed over here. So in that way you can perform search. And whatever you found some relevant article, and that you want to read in detail. Let's say this paper, role of social media, this is interesting. Even you have here a ask co-pilot feature, or even you can click on that. And now you see the related paper to that. Even you can click on that to jump to related paper, the author, the related topic, so many things. If I click on related paper, more article on that area you are able to get now. And you want to chat with this paper. Now if I select this one, if I ask a query like practical implication, explain the practical implication, then you see from this paper only it is trying to give up some information. So this is something like chatting with this paper. And it is suggesting 12 question from this itself, no need to type. Even summarize introduction, explain limitation of this paper, future scope of this paper, literature survey of this paper, whatever you select, you will get answer. You see limitation of this paper, we have clicked, now we are getting detail. So SCI space, because I've gone through so many platform or so many tools, this is one of the best tool. But again, if you want to explore, sign up and first explore it. If you found it convenient, for you to explore and to understand how it is working, then you can think of upgrading it. So I should show you this plan,
One,
yeah.
like if I've chatted with this SCI paper and I got a reward that I got all my answers like literature review, what is the summary of the paper,
Yeah.
and I simply take inputs from here and put it in my paper, doing some sort of paraphrasing and all. Will it be marked as plagiarism?
Yeah, better is to, you got the theme, the summary of it, rewrite it, in your word, because any AI platform, my experience, I have tested with so many tools, it is showing under this AI text, even if it is not coming under the similarity,
Mhm.
it might fall under AI detection. But few cases, like here, you got something future scope, so when you read that, you can rewrite in your own word,
Mhm.
directly taking the same text, better to write it in your word. But in few cases it might get detected and may not get detected. That also varies, because I've seen many cases it is detected, in some platform it is not also getting detected. So you have to be careful. And uh, uh, let's say you are using some, you are onto a presentation, that time use it in your PPT or somewhere, nothing to worry. You want to
I
prepare
also
your,
wanted to ask you, but like if someone is writing a systematic literature review,
yeah,
you need to read so many literatures. So
yeah,
if they want to go for some sort of shortcuts like this, can they opt for?
possible. But again, personally I should not, say encourage to use direct text, because they are working on that as well, that part as well, so that this text that should not be getting detected as AI text. So after certain time, I'm sure it will come to a phase where taking direct content, the summarized content, will be something safer, but as of now, may, all the tools, all the, platform, being getting detected under AI detection. So you have to be careful there. You if you are applying some paraphrasing, so you can do so and you can use it, but again you have to proofread, that mehnat again you have to put for that, because words should not be getting twisted, or meanings should not be, being, something, and the reference should be accurate, all that you have to look into. So those are the thing. But another thing I will show you, like, if you have prepared something out of that, how we can make abstract and conclusion, even some part of the thing. There is indirect way also. I will show you that one.
Okay, sir.
So this is SCI space. I should jump to other tool. um, then one is elicit, sort of similar tool. I can elicit.org. Here, they have come up with another feature. It was also free earlier. Now they have jumped to premium and like pro version of it. And very interesting, here also that they have introduced some new concept of notebook, where let's say you can name a notebook. Let's say the same topic that we're looking into, social media, something. Let's give. And what I will do is I will take this same, query, uh, in the paper finding. What I'll do, I'll put this: how does it affect the, college selection process. So here, related paper, you will get, and summary of top 8 paper, similar to other tool that we have been discussing, but here in a different flavor. Like you see all the paper you got, and you can add those, column, like summary, main finding, like all that, methods, all that, and once, let's say, this is, you are going through it and you found something that is unrelevant, you can discard those paper as well. then you want to add something more, a new query related to that one. So you can do another search here, ask a new question here, and even you can extract data from the uploaded paper if you want to do so. And for each process, the cost is there. Some credit will be, it will be deducted from your account. I have some credit, so it is now getting deducted. And you can list a concept from all that paper. Even you can create table. Let me select few of this paper, and I have done another search. I'm not doing so because I'll be losing out credit. So if I do another search and I want to club all that paper, I want to make a new table out of it. I can click on this one because it is not taking any point. So if I click on that two paper out of this 15 or 10, now a new table has been made. And now I can do, I can add this column, or I want to jump into each paper individually, that also I can do so. Or else what I can do is, you see, if I select a paper, let's say all these two paper which I wanted to dig more information from those paper, I can click on chat with this paper. So if I do so, I lose 100 to 120 credit. So this is something similar which we did with SCI space and other paper. So taking that two paper into account, even not two, even 10 15 paper into account, at a time you can chat and it will give you answer from all those selected paper only. So that is one of the beautiful feature in this elicit. And recently, I think a month or so, they have introduced this feature into it. So I have a referral link for this also. You can get 5,000 credit if visit through that link or sign up with that link. So I will share that as well. This is the link. On this link, you can once you sign up, you will get 5,000 credit, free credit. So I'll give you that. Another one is
So you
Kinias.
can share all these in the WhatsApp group, or you can send me in the chat box. I'll be sharing that.
Yeah, yeah. I will just remind me. I will send you this whole document. I will make a PDF of this, and you can share among with all.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So another one is Kinias. This is where people they want some tool that need to जो कि आपका the word file that वहाँ पे integration हो जाए. You want a tool that to be get linked with your word file, or even if you are working Google Doc also, if it is getting linked or it is getting and sometime whatever you are typing and whatever search you are doing a topic, you can able to do so. So I made a video on that. You can look into that, and similar sort of thing you can do over here. Just if I can sign in, and even if I am working in let's say directly here, I can upload a PDF or URL of a paper. Let us select a URL of a paper. Let me select a paper. I've selected the URL of a paper, which is in OpenSS platform. So now you see, in a simple Word sort of a format, in a text format, it is now fetching all the information of that paper. It is taken to this platform, Kinias platform, and similar article that published in that area, or that is linked with my paper, is now being listed in the this site. So let's say you are drafting an article. you know the same thing you can do it over the Word plugin. Once you install it, it will be added to your Word file, or even in the Google Doc as well. And let's say you are getting stuck at some particular point, and you wanted to explore more relevant article to that. So once you select the area, and you highlight that, you see highlighted text. So on that you will be getting more information based on 8% of your document. you know Document will be shown against this bar. And now you can, if you click on any of the document, and you can get information, and even you can cite that. Direct citation also it is available. If you click on this, you can get MLA. Somebody was asking me earlier, APA 7th, all that citation information you can able to get, and directly you can copy it, or you can download it, and directly you can use it in your paper. So it is something, while you are working, you can link this Kenyans to your Word file, and it can help you finding out, or suggesting some literature during drafting your thesis or report. So sort of helpful, because so many tools are there, you have to try it out. So this is one tool that I thought of sharing. Another is um, Litmap. Litmap also, I have a referral link. The link will be there, against each that I've shown you. Wherever I have a referral link, go through those links, so that you might get some credit, or setting of your account. So here, let me take you to Litmap. This is also completely paid sort of a thing, but you can do certain thing with free account. And this is one of the powerful tool where it will connect with the literature. And people from European countries, they use Litmap, and even from the institutional subscription also, they are using Litmap for connecting literature. So let me show you, just to show you how it works. I'm not sure why it is not getting. Let me try with Google account. Okay, so now we have, you know it is now in pro mode. That's why you can able to get um, the all feature over here. So you have to basically, you have to start with the seed map. Seed map is something, you have a base paper, and you wanted to explore that base paper, or that seed paper. Normally we say, the paper that you take it as a base, and from that you get inspired, and you want to search similar paper. So let's take this paper. So I'm just taking the, here I'm taking the title of it, and I'm just searching over here. Let's see whether that is available or not. Yes, and this is available. So select that one, and just generate a seed map. So now my I've selected a seed paper. You can see the symbol itself, and it will generate a map, a connected sort of a map, where you can see the over x-axis, it is basically the time. If we go to this area, this side, you can see Jerry's 2023. And if you come to this, the other side of it, the year also will decrease. And similarly, if I go upward direction, you will get the article which has more citation. So on the y-axis, it is something representing the citation. In the x-axis, it is representing the year of recent publication. And now eh, I got some about 20 article. There is a feature called discover 20 more related article. Once I click on that, you see now it is trying to discover 20 more article to that. And what you can do is, you can select this article and you can add to your library. You can rename, you can form different folder, rename them, so this color code will also get generated. So that you can do. There are so many feature over here you can able to do. Follow my channel, YouTube channel. I'm covering in detail video about lead map. And just to show you, if I select 3 4 more paper, let's say this green one is being selected, and I want to expand the search. Again, I can click on expand the search. So those four are now taken to the inner circle, and the more paper that will be that it is giving us is in the outer circle. So if I select a few more here from the outer circle, and I can perform more expanding the search. In that way you are basically expanding the search, and you are adding more literature that are connected somehow based on citation, based on the publication. And now you have completed, you have finished the search, and you wanted to get the inner cycle, whatever being selected, you wanted to export that one. And now all that about 28 article which you feel those are the seed paper, you can able to download them. Even the CSV you can able to download them. So now you got all that information of those article, the seed paper. So this is something interesting, where you try to relate literature and the seed paper, the actual what I can say is relatable paper. And that only you can able to get it from here. And this is something not deviating from your literature review to other area. And you want your literature to cover within a certain set of regulation, within certain set of sub areas. And you can do that with selecting those paper into account and performing the search. Here I've just given you a random way of doing that, but you can do in several way. And even you can create library, and I was just making a video for that, I've done so. So here if I like to show you this sheet map which I've done for one video I was making, and that time. So I've selected paper, and then I was selecting the related paper into different folder. So you see the color also, and those paper is being added to those different folder. So in that way whatever is relevant I can add them to different folder, and whenever I come back those will be there in that library. And if I want to read more, or I want to dig more, or want to connect more, I can do so with litmap. So this is one of beautiful tool, but uh, many of us are unaware of this thing. This is something advanced tool where if there is requirement you can think of using it. And then is something research rabbit, which is free. What I can say is research alternative alternative to this lead map or other connected paper, because there you have to pay something. This is a free platform, research rabbit. You can have an account over here, sign up freely. There is nothing required. And you can do so many things over here. If you are particularly looking into literature and trying to connect in that way, you see now it is something blank. I've created some folder over here. And once I click, now this two tab is being activated. Here you have option to add paper to this on ECG analysis, whatever you are trying to perform. It will suggest from all subject area or from biomedical life sciences, and you can add them. If it is not added to your collection, if it is relevant, you can select, and that is now added to your collection. So in that way you can do that. And it will be saved in your folder. You can create folder, you can import from Jotero collection. And you can see if I select one paper, now it is being selected. And if you have a PDF of that, you have that option to download the PDF directly from this platform. And similar work, if I click on that, this, let's say this is now your seed paper, and now you have selected a similar paper, and now 1000 plus paper is you can able to get from this, and all are connected. This is again, you can think of about similar lit map graph, or connected paper graph. With free, you are able to get this graph. So you see, this is how these are connected. You can jump to individual paper. If I select any paper, if I select that, it will jump to that paper, this paper. And then again, I want to check the similar paper, so here you can get that information. So you see now how it is working. And all that, you have an option to add that to your collection, individual, add to collection, whatever folder you have created, or you wanted to see who has cited. Even your article also you can able to explore here. Even you can check with the connection between the author. You see how it is connected, the author connection. You can see how it is connected. So beautiful, graph you are able to get. And even you can jump to the author, you can explore their publication. So many things you can able to perform over here. So these are the tool that you should use. And you can have your collection over here. And even you can import from Jotaro, and add more to your literature. And here basically, no that sort of summarization or that. So but you are getting literature, and that you can take it to other platform to summarize it. Here you can get BibTeX, RIS, you can able to get, you can download that. Even this images also you can able to download. And if you are doing some sort of presentation, you can show this sort of during literature review, or during your presentation, you can show them that how you have performed the literature review, for finding out or reaching out, or coming to a conclusion. So that will be impressive. So this is one tool, Research Rabbit. You should explore that one. And next one is Insightful. Paper Digest. Paper Digest. Earlier it was Paper hyphen Digest, and now it is paperdigest.org. Um, Here you can do literature review, and basically, but it is now paid, I guess. Literature review, literature search, question answering, sort of chat and all. So all that, in that way you can able to do areas, something you can able to search. So you can come and explore this platform. You get related work over here, summarizing the related paper. You see, this I have not included, but you can, you see relate review of the related work it is giving us. And you can submit a feedback. They are working on this platform. And you can select paper, patent, grant, past year, last 5 year data. Now it is selected more, all the data it is being selected. So in that way also you can do so. And question answering, they have added this AI here over, I guess, all here. I have to explore this one in detail, because the earlier platform I have explored it, but this is something similar. Whatever query you was giving, and now you can get some answer to that query. And yeah, here you can ask other query as well, like you can give question and something you are getting information, and with citation. So this is something good. You are getting some scientific information, and it is being cited, and the references also you are getting. So we have to check here, this content is getting detected in AI or not. But because I have not yet checked, so you can do so. Here you have to be careful. We can take this content and let's check with Zero GPT. S- As you are asking whether you can use direct text or not, so if I'll check it, you see it is telling us 100% AI generated. So that's what, we have to be careful. So um, this platform is to, to make you aware of what is happening, and what is the background of it, summarizing, content of it, key point of it, and then, you have to apply your mind over here. If you take the direct text, it is not safe. As of now, it is not safe. So this is again chat with, with Bing platform also. Let me do that. This I'll show you. I made a demo paper. Let me save this. Let me make it to a PDF. You know what I can do. What I'm doing is I have a paper over here. Where is it? कहाँ पे मैंने सेव किया उसको? Yeah, it is there. Yeah. So what I can do, I can take this PDF. If I'm using Microsoft Edge, I'm just opening that PDF without opening in Adobe Reader. I'm opening it with Microsoft Edge, and you can see the Bing AI. So many use ChatGPT. So this is another way to use powerful AI. So now I can chat with this PDF. So I have to give query. If I select this, and now you see send selected text to the chat, send. And now I can, ask here, can you summarize this paper, like simple chat with chat GPT. So this co-pilot will be working now. It is trying to summarize it. It is trying to give us something from the ECG. We have to give in detail uh, about it. It is taking us from ECG, but here you can, if I take the content and if I understand over here, and I will say that, explain that whatever content I've just sent to this, so it can do so. And wherever, you are reading something and you want to understand that, so this is what, can be helpful sometime. And that you can do it with SCI space also, like complex equation and other thing, which I forgot to show you. Let me show you that website quickly. I'll show you that feature where you have a paper, let's say this paper. The chat bot, the co-pilot is also activated, and sometimes we have, many, mathematical equations. So now you have see, explain math and table. If you select here, that is getting activated. You have to upload a PDF which you are reading, or if it is in open access directly, it can take. If I select this, I've just selected that portion of a equation, it will directly take that equation to the co-pilot, and it will start, explaining that equation. So now see, it is working on, finding out each part of it. So it is giving us information about that equation. So many of the time, to to understand such equation, we get stuck. And student normally, and they can able to do so. They can even the tables and other thing also here, it can work on table and other thing also. If I select this, you see it is working fine. And you can chat with the full paper. So this is a good feature with SCI Space. All the 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 text that being used, it will describe each variable in that equation, and it will try to give you what exactly it is trying to tell us. So this is good. And this is again, there is another rightful, because we have less time. Because I want I was as I was telling you, if you see in this demo article, what I've done is, where is that article? Sorry. This is the demo paper. Yeah, I have not written this abstract and even the title of it. And what I wanted to do is, I want to form a abstract. And what I'm doing now is, I'm taking help of an AI platform and taking all the content from introduction to, let's say, to conclusion. And even you have not prepared your conclusion, that also you can do so. Conclusion. And now I'm jumping to rightful, and I'm pasting all the detail here. Simply, copy and paste from introduction to conclusion. And I'm just clicking on generate abstract. So this is with free account I'm trying to do. There is again so many here, and there is a premium where you can do so many things, but I have not yet explored. And I do not want to go far beyond where it can lead to ethical misconduct. So here, what is actually happening is, it is taking content or text from your paper only, and it is forming your abstract. And we have checked it, and it is not getting detected under AI. And now I can fill this abstract, which because in the first day itself, I told you that abstract and the this title can be written at the end, and so you can do it once you have ready with your other thing, draft ready. And another feature here is, it will generate title also. So now the abstract is ready. uh, we have abstract. And now, if I click on generate title, it is giving me a title. What I did, simply I have copy and pasted the abstract, which I've generated. And now I am getting a, you can copy the title over here. You can let me see whether it is relevant or not. Now it is about detection of QRS complex and ST segment from human ECG data. Human, no need to give human, because that is known. ECG data, that is fine now. So it can generate abstract also, abstract and title on this rightful. And I have not yet signed in. Without sign in also I can perform that thing, but there will be a limit to, for generating the abstract and title, because you'll be working for one or two paper, I think, in a month, so easily can do that. You will be getting some, something, standard suggested title and abstract over here, and which will be structured abstract. It is taking all detail. Oh, I was just looking into it, it was taking all detail from all part of the paper. So this is something, okay to use this platform for abstract and title. Any doubt as of now? Let me see, any tool, any major tool. Grammarly, you all know, for proofreading. Many of the time, many they do ask me, here also. All, I've we normally use Grammarly for anything. Like you can see in my Word also, Grammarly is there. And I normally prefer to use Grammarly up to an extent where grammatical correction, language correction, all that, you see, it will help you to suggest. So we, combinedly we take a premium or a upgraded account, and we try to, use that one. So now you can see it is suggesting out us the different, grammatical mistake, and which you can able to alter. Even some, sort of rephrasing the word. If I click on that, you see, I can able to correct my word, even sort of paraphrasing, you can say, in some cases. So up to that, it is fine. When we talk about ethical aspect, it is fine. You see, I'm trying to correct this one, and uh, that is fine. So Grammarly is one of such tool which, if you have, money to invest, you should do it. And Grammarly, then Edit GPT is another sort of thing, but this is, up to fixing the grammar, or proofreading, you can use it. Just let me show you. Let me close few tabs. Let us take some content which we can give, which you can put in Edit GPT. So this is where you can do. I've signed in. You have to sign in basically, and there will be windows. This sort of a window where you have to keep your word. Some word limitation will be there. So if I click on grammar, it will try to correct the grammar. You see how it is working, and it will tell you where changes they have made. You see minor changes they have made, and if you click on accept all, so those changes will be done. And proofread also, up to proofread grammar, and up to improve, it is fine. What I have seen, you see, it is fine. And accept all. So improve also, it is something, it is not making major changes. Some, some word, something somewhere it is trying to make, and which I found fine, which I can accept. But if I go for rewrite, I have to be careful where it might take content from, because this is uh, at the back end, chat GPT is working, is there. So you have to be careful. And here also, because you have 30 days something, some usage, some point is there. So here that will be used, so freely you can do certain thing for trial, usage. So they'll be giving you some credit, and that once that is over, then you might have to upgrade that one. So you can come and explore up to grammar, fixing up your grammar, proofreading and all. But avoid for rewriting and complete, heavy paraphrasing with this tool, because again it might lead to chat GPT or AI generated thing. Anything else which Quillbot is, I've shown you, Microsoft Editor, I've shown you. Research discovery, something, that I've shown you. Discovery AI, where you can get something, what dimension AI. So this is some problem with this platform, that I think they are upgrading or something. I'm not sure whether we can explore this one, but you can note it down. I'll share you this platform where you can perform so many things, like finding out literature from UGC care list only, then getting your co-author network, having your profile, sustainable development goal linked with your publication. So many things you can able to do. Just to give you example, if your name is listed over here, let me take, if it is working. So it is coming under. Yes, it is coming. So I'll limit the search to my name. Then it is showing the affiliation. Now it is correct. And I can go to analytical view. Here I can change this field to sustainable goal. So my publication with sustainable goal, now I can able to get the detail. And here you can get the bar graph also for the sustainable publication. Even you can download this table also. You see png, you can download that png table also. Those who do not have access to Scoopers, alternative, I can say this is an alternative platform to get data. It may not be updated, but still you can get data. So this sort of image you can get. Even you can produce with your API score if you are submitting somewhere. And in the researcher tab, in the co-author network, you will get your co-author, this network, which is available via View Viewer. And I've made a video on this of generating this from Scoopers. And all that also it is possible. So now see, because we have seen this network issue last few days with with Dimension AI. But this is how you can able to explore. Even you can download that image. So this is what I thought of covering today. And if any doubt, let me stop presenting. We can take few query, because we have not interacted.
So, participants, if you have any query or anything more you want to add in, that will be also very great. Like if we are missing out on any of the AI tool.
Yeah, any tool that you are using and you found useful, please do share.
I do use Chat PDF, sir, and it works same like chatting with the PDF, and
Yeah,
it's a free platform.
yeah, yeah. 3 to 4 document, I think. Some daily quota is there. Yeah,
Yes.
chat PDF, I made a video on that as well.
So, is there any alternative of Quillboard because now they are charging $10 per month?
Paraphrasing, yeah, that is Edit GPT, somewhat alternative, and it is backed by GPT. So rewriting other thing you can do, but you just do a proofreading, proper proof.
Amita ma'am has written something. Amita ma'am, where do you use this Merlin AI?
What? I'm not able
MERLIN
Then AI
AI.
use Malin AI. I have not heard of this. What is it? Okay, this is again some sort of extension, I guess, with AI powered. Uh, we have to check, if she's using it, particularly
Click
for,
one click access to Chat GPT,
yeah,
GPT-4, Claude, Lima.
yeah, yeah, some extension. So I have
Yes.
not yet explored. Thank you for suggesting. I will check this one as well.
Gemini.ai, it's from Google only, and that we can use it. Same like Chat GPT, I suppose, sir. Gemini.
Yeah.
Any AI tool whose like generated text cannot be detected by any other software.
As of now, it is difficult to say. But there are platform where I come across a platform. They have approached me to make a video where their work is to make it human, look like human generated text. So whatever AI tool you are using, you are generating text, they will again revert it back, and it will look like human like text. So I'm forgetting that platform. But what I found is that I was doubt in my mind whether if I do so, the word might get twisted and altered. So that's why I have not explored that one, and I refuse them to do so as of now, because all are sort of trial and that mode, and they do not care what will happen to us. So you have
So
to be.
Shweta ma'am has a question. Any AI tool for creating PPT?
Yeah,
Can
yeah. Creating PPT. There is one tool. I think I've made a video or not. I will note it down. Tomorrow I'll show you. There are tools to create PPT. Um, PPT. Yes, there are many tools to create PPT. I'll show you those tools tomorrow.
even Chat GPT can be used for creating PPT?
Yeah, that can be used to make it can directly make a PPT, but for that you have to use certain plugin. You have to have
Yeah,
that
it's in
upgrade version.
code form, and
Yeah,
then you will have to convert that code.
yeah. Well, you can ask them to generate slide wise. You just have to copy and paste in each. So in that way, manual some require, but that is possible. And uh, I have recently made, I think, on video on how to make PPT. Let me check.
It will be great if anyone else can also suggest any other AI tool they are using. Gamma AI can be used
Yeah,
for
Gamma AI is there, but again, some you have to pay and use. If any free tool, please do suggest free tools if you know any free tool.
Shweta ma'am, you can combine two, three AI tools to make it and make it through Canva. That will be free.
Some Gamma AI is free. I'm not sure. It is having pricing. With free, some what actually you can do, but not completely, I guess. It is showing 400 AI credit as sign up. Okay, somewhat 7 days change history. Yeah, you can do up to some extent. But that is the thing now. Once you get habituated with those tools, then you need to upgrade it to plus plan or pro plan. The
It's
gamma.
happening with every AI tool nowadays.
Yeah,
Even Google will start charging us.
yeah. Many are into that line. But insightful, I've shown you insightful, research rabbit. These are free. They have committed to be free for literature review and all. So there are platform that are coming up, but because they have to also generate something, so that they are now into that zone.
So we can use that summarizer tool for if once we are done with data interpretation, we can upload and then we can get the conclusion using AI, right?
Yeah, yeah, you can do that. Even with this Bing AI,
Bing.
you can able to do. You have to just tell that to some make a conclusion out of that content, whatever is being suggested. So it will take content from that only, and it will generate the conclusion.
So anything else? Any more questions, suggestions, or any AI tool more to be discussed today? So because we have reached 8:30, 8:37, it's time that we should close today's session and we'll meet tomorrow. So any more question or queries or suggestion we have? Do we have? Um, so I don't think so. So we'll be meeting tomorrow at 7:30 again, and tomorrow will be the last day. And I'll be sending all the recordings by tomorrow. Due to some internet issue, I'm not able to send it. I've downloaded, but it's not getting uploaded. So I'll send you by tomorrow, or I'll send you my YouTube link. It will be there. So thank you everyone. Thanks for participating, and thank you Akash sir for sparing your time.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Good night.
Thank you.